Hey, this is Garrett with ULA Equipment, and in this video we're going over the brand new toiletry kit. It's the newest accessory in the travel lineup. If you're familiar with our Dragonfly Packing Cubes, or the packing cubes that were specifically designed for our 30-liter and 36-liter Dragonflies, then the toiletry kit is going to be a great addition to those organizational bundles. With the toiletry kit, you're going to get some more pockets, some more zippers, some more mesh, and some more features. So hey, sit down, relax, stay tuned. I'm going to be telling you all of the features that you can come to expect from the toiletry kit so that we can make sure it's the right accessory for your next adventure. The ULA Toiletry Kit weighs just 94 grams or 3.3 ounces and holds approximately 2.3 liters of gear. The toiletry kit measures 9 3/4 inches long by 2 5/8 inches wide by 5 3/4 inches tall. The front panel on the toiletry kit features half mesh and half UltraGrid 210. YKK zippers are utilized throughout the toiletry kit. The toiletry kit features dual zipper pull tabs, a back zippered pocket. The main compartment on the toiletry kit features a static pocket as well as a zippered mesh pocket. For extra rigidity, the bottom panel is Ultra Weave. The toiletry kit works seamlessly with your Dragonfly Packing Cubes, and here we're showing the toiletry kit loaded in a 30-liter Dragonfly bundle.